Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome. I welcome you all for part three lecture, means third lecture on unit three. But cumulatively, it is a 12th lecture. So you have attended almost 12 lectures of this AI. Before beginning, just as usual, I would like to request you to please raise your hands for 1 second so that I will understand you are able to see the PPT as well as my video feed. Thank you, Sanket, Rupesh, Himanshu, Lokesh, Vinita, Pratiksha. Prajakta. Anyway, today I found that there is a attendance is very poor. So I will ask your CR and NCR to send me whatever the reason regarding the attendance to me. I know that there might be backlog examination, but I'm not sure. But you should attend the lectures because typically the subject is a very important subject, and you have to build the logic. See, there are many theoretical concepts as this subject is in a second year. So lot many subjects are there which you have not yet learned, maybe data structures, design algorithms, architecture of the system. Lot many things are there, but you are attacking on the AI. So theoretical foundation is very important for this subject. So anyway, uh, I will begin. So today's agenda is very simple. I will revise certain things, whatever we have seen in last few lectures, but I will do it in very quick. Then we shall try to understand what is the meaning of the search algorithm. We are going to understand what is a search tree, what is a search graph or state space, state space. What is the meaning of that, where it is used, and we must understand what is a tree. Tree is basically a type of graph. Tree has very important applications. Last time I have some slides. I have shown the applications of tree structures. So basically, search is nothing but to design a tree, maybe binary tree or some other tree. So through 2, 3 examples, we shall try to understand what is the meaning of tree. So actually, when there is some problem, then as I told you that a problem can have multiple solutions. So we can map all those solutions in terms of some tree. So there will be node and then alternate solutions will be there. Then again, there will be child. He may have again some children, again alternative solutions. So in this way, we form the tree. And once we form the tree or we create a tree for a particular problem, depending on particular logic, we traverse that tree. So there are different ways to traverse a tree. Pre-order traversal, in-order traversal means you are visiting the nodes of a tree in particular style, or post-order traversal. So traversing is there, means traveling from one node to another. So it depends on by which strategy you are traversing a tree. So this is concept. Then we shall try to visit a water jet problem. Last time we have seen it. Then some examples that how to formulate a problem. We know that there is a importance of goal and problem. We must know what is goal, and we must know what is a problem. But we must be able to formulate it in terms of particular specific notes, maybe mathematical notation. So problem formulation and goal formulation. So problem formulation is a process. It has certain steps. So just like making a tea. So tea is the ultimate outcome. But if you want to know, if you want to prepare a tea, then there is a steps. 1 cup water, 1 cup milk, 2 spoons sugar, like that. And there is a sequence how to do the actions. So same thing is here. So we should be able to formulate the problem. So that is called as a problem formulation process. So that we are going to understand. This is simply a concept. Then we are applying that concept to the vacuum world problem. Means there is a vacuum cleaner, which is a robotic, automatic, and it is cleaning the room and maybe house. And there are locations like A, B, C, D, just like a drawing room, kitchen, veranda, like that. So locations are there. So we are trying to understand how to do the problem formulation process. What is the way? And we are going to understand quickly. See, it is not necessary right now in this unit to understand what is the meaning of the state search tree, because there are different types of trees, and what is the meaning of the state space graph. So, but I will, through one example, I will be giving you one hint, and you have to explore later uh, regarding the graphs. And lastly, we are going to understand what is the different types of problems typically in AI. So let us begin. This is a previous slide. I will just go through it. So as I told you, we must know what is the problem. We must know what is the goal. So, goal is the set of means. In set of means alternatives to achieve particular goal. That is called as a problem. So this is a way how we define a problem. मतलब जो आंसर है उसमें ही हम प्रॉब्लम को डिफाइन करते हैं. The process of exploring what the means can do is called as a search or search algorithm. So this could be the typical definition, but if you go through the book, you will get a good definition, academic definition. It is only for understanding. Exploring means checking number of alternatives to solve a particular thing. So this is nothing but it is analogous to tree traversing. I don't know all people are comfortable with English or not, but if you frankly tell me, I may use sufficient Marathi or Hindi in my lectures if you are comfortable or if you wish. If not, uh, I will use general English, that is teaching English. But sometimes it may happen that some people may feel कि भाई दोनों लैंग्वेज में या एक लैंग्वेज में थोड़ा सा उसको ये करो, तो आई एम रेडी. Now just see this slide and think about what is graph and tree. What is the relation? Just think about it. I will not ask right now. So whatever the aim of this particular person or robot or machine is there, maybe he want to reach some top or hill, or maybe on some tree, or maybe he want to search something. So whatever is there, we can visualize that in terms of some graph or tree, because we have to traverse through this space. So actually this is a problem space. So we shall take few examples and we shall understand how the graph and trees are useful in AI problems or in search problems. So basically, majorly AI is nothing but we are dealing with the search problems. For example, chess is there, it is a game, again it is a search problem. 8 queen problem is there, again it is a search problem. So broadly, almost many problems in AI are termed as a search problems. But as you know, there are different search algorithms. We shall see later. Breadth for search, depth for search, Dijkstra, and so lot many algorithms are there. Now write down, you can take the screenshot, write down in your copy what is the application of graph. You must understand what is a graph. You should be able to define graph. Then what are different types of graph, like bipartite graph, Hamilton graph. I don't know how many of you, because perhaps you may not know what are the different graphs available, but it is important for AI. So I have taken the term bipartite graph, Hamilton graph. So try to understand. Uh, so try to get the list of the graphs. Don't think that in terms of applications, but broadly get the list of 7 or 8 different types of graphs. So different types of graphs and their names. And second question is, what is the application of search tree? What is the meaning of the search tree? You draw a search tree in your copy, and there might be different types of search trees. There might be different names to the search trees. And what is a BST, binary search tree? What is the difference in a binary search tree and normal search tree? So that you have to understand. Definitely, I will be telling you. Don't worry, I'm not just bothering you. That, but these are the some minimum required terms. At least we should know. And there are different ways to realize the tree. मतलब आपको प्रोग्रामिंग करना है तो आपको ट्री इंप्लीमेंट करने के लिए डेटा स्ट्रक्चर यूज करना पड़ता है. ट्री इटसेल्फ इज अ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. You will learn dynamic data structure or whatever, static data structures, whatever. So you can use array to implement a tree. You can use linked list to implement a tree. There are different types of linked list, singly linked list, doubly linked list, like that. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप you are able to listen me clearly. Uh, So I will go ahead. So this is the important slide. You go through it, try to understand. See, it will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes to get the answer of this. You do have Google. Now, before going ahead, just I am going to give you only hint about it. So you don't think that कि ये यार ये क्या चालू है, ठीक है? So through one example, I am trying to give you what is the meaning of the state space. हमने पहले एक डायग्राम देखा. स्टेट स्पेस मतलब क्या है? Because we must know what is space, because we want to find some solution from that in that space. We have to move into that space. So this is generalized, ये गावरान तरीका है, but we should have technical definition. So state space graph is a mathematical representation of search problem. तो आपको पता है what is search problem? Almost all problems are search problem. Almost all AI problems are search problems. For example, 8-pin problem, chase problem, like that. Then this could be the representation. I will be giving you another. So right now from this diagram, you will not understand anything. But so it is a possibility that suppose you are in place A, then you can move to the B or D or E, like that. So when you move from one node to another, you are changing state, current state to some other state. So there is definitely one initial state from where you start, and there is something called as a final state. So in this way, we can represent state space graph for a particular problem. Now nodes are individual state of the system or machine, and the links are there, arrows are there, or edges are there in that graph. They are called as the actions. So actions can be move left, move right. Suck means कोई चीज ऊपर से उठाओ, like that. Move up, move down, like that. These can be actions. So it depends. You can use arrow or you can use some symbols like L, R for right, L for left, So, so in this way you can define a state space graph for particular problem. मतलब आपका जो प्रॉब्लम है आप उसको in terms of SSG स्टेट स्पेस ग्राफ में उसको प्लॉट कर सकते हैं. And as I told you, there is an initial state and a goal state is there. So in state space graph, each state occurs only once. ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट है इसमें. मतलब आप जब भी उसको मूव करते हो ग्राफ में के अंदर से फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर, तो आप एक नोड को एक ही बार विजिट करते हैं, बार बार उसको विजिट नहीं करते या क्रॉस नहीं करते, मतलब लाइक दैट. सो वी कैन रिलाई rarely build a full graph in memory because to represent a graph in a computer memory it requires space, RAM. Too much RAM is required or too much memory is required. Anyway, so this is another slide. So you will take you can take the screenshot later. And so some nodes are there, some names are there, some arrows are there, so you can move from one state to another. Edges are there. Now what is search tree? So this is a comparison. In short, I will not talk about it in much. So sometimes we require a state space graph for a particular problem, and sometimes we require only search tree. Sometimes we require both. That is what I want to say. So I hope you are getting it. Now this could be the representation of a tree, search tree. So let us say this is a digger game. Digger is a famous game. You can search on internet. Some state is there, start state. Some is a intermediate state. So normally start state is a root of a tree. Root, you know, root is there and leaf nodes are there and some intermediate nodes are there. So you read this slide. I will talk about it later, but through this picture I want to show you what is the meaning of the state space and search tree. Now this is a previous slide. So we can define a problem. Given the precise definition of problems, it is relatively straightforward to construct a search process for finding the solution. अगर आपने प्रॉब्लम अपना अच्छी तरीके से डिफाइन किया है तो आपको डायरेक्टली उसका सॉल्यूशन वो डेफिनेशन पे से कैसे निकालना आपको पता चलता है. दिस इज व्हाट दिस स्लाइड टेल्स यू. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हाउ यू स्पेसिफाई योर प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज आपका जो स्पेसिफिकेशन है प्रॉब्लम का, डेफिनेशन जो है, वही आपको सॉल्यूशन देता है. सो से मैं कुछ आपसे झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. आई विल बी गिविंग यू एग्जाम्पल, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. Now this is again previous slide. So these are the application search algorithms used in AI. You can go through it later. This is one homework for you. So it tells you that you have to explain what is the meaning of the uninformed search, informed search and uninformed search. What are different search methods are there in that category? Why it is called as an uninformed search? You have to give 6 examples. And second is you have to give the, because you are giving examples, so every example algorithm has some advantages as well as some disadvantages. Some limitations are there, so you have to write them in terms of points for each example algorithm, whatever you are giving. So you will find it in your book. Okay, so go through the book. It is available on FTP. I hope that you people visit FTP, you use Chrome. Don't use Chrome, use Mozilla. And also visit YouTube channel. You can watch my videos or you can download videos from FTP site. I have already shared you IP address. So everything is available on that FTP site. So these are the list of the algorithms. I have already given you some answer but try to get different examples from this list. You will get it. So we are going to cover these examples in detail, but in unit 3. But at least in this unit, we are going to understand fundamentally basic to all these algorithms one by one in next session. Now, this was a previous problem we discussed. I hope. See, अगर आप सुनेंगे, सिंपली सुनते ही रहेंगे, तो आपको कुछ नहीं आएगा. लेक्चर सुनना अच्छी बात है, लेकिन अगर आप कुछ करते हैं आपके साइड से, इफ यू टेक सम एक्शन, इफ यू यूज पेपर एंड पेंसिल और पेन ऑन योर साइड एंड यू डू सम वर्कआउट, तो आपका फायदा है उसमें. So I hope everybody got the concept of this problem. There are 3 jugs are there. हर एक का कैपेसिटी है 3 लीटर, 5 लीटर एंड 9 लीटर, और हमको 7 लीटर पानी मेजर करने का है. दिस इज अ वाटर जग मेजरिंग प्रॉब्लम. सो लास्ट टाइम वी हैव सीन द सॉल्यूशन. सो दिस वाज वन सॉल्यूशन. तो हमने देखा था कि देयर आर मेनी स्टेप्स. हमने क्या किया, पहले 0 0 मतलब ऑल ABC जग्स आर देयर, इसमें कुछ पानी नहीं है. हमने क्या किया, ए में 3 लीटर डाल दिया बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ कैपेसिटी 3 लीटर्स. सेकंड स्टेप में ए में का पानी सी में डाल दिया, लाइक दैट. सो इन दिस वे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, total 10 steps are required to find the solution. So this is solution 1. And on another side, I don't know whether you are able to see the mouse movement. If you are able to see, then good. तो देखिए दूसरा सॉल्यूशन जो है, इसमें क्या किया हमने, डायरेक्टली 5 लीटर वाला भर लिया. 5 लीटर वाले बी में से हमने 3 वाले में पानी डाल दिया, फिर 5 लीटर वाले में 2 लीटर पानी बच गया, लाइक दैट. सो इन दिस वे, if you count 1 2 3 4 5 6, so overall 6 7 steps are required here because we want to measure 7 liter. So this is second solution. Now which solution do you refer? So definitely solution number 2 is best because it requires less number of steps. लेकिन अगर मुझे आपको यही कहना है कि देयर आर मेनी मोर सॉल्यूशंस फॉर सेम प्रॉब्लम. आप अपने घर पे उसको वर्कआउट करो या इंटरनेट पे से सर्च करो. देयर आर मेनी सॉल्यूशंस फॉर द सेम प्रॉब्लम and many different steps are required. So that is what AI machine or algorithm has to choose a proper solution, cost effective solution. So this is what is called as the AI. उसको बोलते हैं इंटेलिजेंस. अगर आप से ब्लाइंडली अगर करेंगे प्रॉब्लम, इफ यू रीच टू द सॉल्यूशन, दैट इज ऑफ नो मीनिंग. सो homework is very important. Now let us go to the another problem, that is a vacuum cleaner problem. See, here is the room, there are 2 locations A and B. A में कचरा है, B में भी कचरा है, and that is a vacuum cleaner. I hope you are able to see on your phone. You can send me the screenshot. So you can consider 4 location, 8 location, 9 location, it depends on you. But for understanding, we are considering only 2 locations. Now, what is a problem formulation process? So the process of deciding what actions and states. See, you read it carefully. This is very important. You must write it in your copy, or you should take the screenshot. The process of deciding what actions and states we need to consider when we already know that what is our given goal. हमारा गोल क्या है? ये दोनों भी लोकेशन है A and B, उसमें से कचरा साफ करना. We want to clean that dirt from location A and B. Now just assume that this machine is intelligent. It can detect the dirt. So go through this slide, see the pictures, try to interpret it. So hope you read the slide. So problem formulation process importance. It is important. If you have knowledge about your environment, then you can get effective optimal solution. So we must understand what amount of knowledge we require. देखिए ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सभी बातें मालूम होना. It depends on typical problem domain और what is scope. तो उसमें बेयर मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट की रहता है कुछ, उसको बोलते हैं नॉलेज रिक्वायरमेंट. तो नॉलेज कहाँ से आता है? बिकॉज वी नो व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आवर एजेंट, एआई एजेंट. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एजेंट्स, रिफ्लेक्स एजेंट, गोल बेस एजेंट, मॉडल यूटिलिटी एजेंट एंड सो मेनी आर देयर. सो उसमें क्या होता है? सेंसर्स होते हैं, एक्टिवेटर्स होते हैं. सो थ्रू सेंसर्स द एजेंट कलेक्ट्स इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द एनवायरमेंट. तो वो जो इंफॉर्मेशन है उसी को नॉलेज कहते हैं हम. सो हाउ मच you require a knowledge, that is important. How much knowledge you should have, that is important. How much knowledge the agent should have. देखिए वो चश्मे वाला है. This is the person from Matrix picture. There is a Matrix, एक sci-fi मूवी है, उसमें का विलन है वो. और दूसरा एक स्टेटमेंट है रेड कलर में और ब्लू कलर में. नॉलेज इज यूज्ड टू सिलेक्ट एक्शंस एंड स्टेट्स इन द सिस्टम. व्हाई नॉलेज इज रिक्वायर्ड? बिकॉज इफ वी हैव नॉलेज वी कैन टेक प्रॉपर एक्शन. एक्शन कौन सी है? टू मूव लेफ्ट, टू मूव राइट, टू सब, लाइक दैट. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन मशीन. So there can be multiple actions, 7, 8 or 4. Fixed actions are there. Not, and there are nothing like random. Fixed actions are there. Fixed set of actions are there, 7 or 8 or 9. It depends on the problem. So knowledge is used to select actions. So देखिए आप एक यहाँ पे पिक्चर है, एक रोबोटिक असेंबली लाइन है, ब्लू कलर का पिक्चर है. Then there are some objects and that conveyor belt is there. Objects are moving. So suppose प्रोडक्ट में अगर फॉल्ट है, दैट रोबोट डिटेक्ट्स इट बाय यूजिंग एक्सरे विजन एंड ऑल दैट. और वो पर्टिकुलर चीज को असेंबली लाइन से बाहर निकालता है, उसको निकाल लेता है. अगर जिसका पैकिंग खराब है या उसके ऊपर में कलरिंग बराबर नहीं हुआ या फिर सम क्वालिटी प्रॉब्लम इज देयर इन दैट ऑब्जेक्ट और प्रोडक्ट, तो रोबोट निकालता है. तो दैट इज एक्शन. सो व्हेन इट टेक्स सम एक्शन, इट मीन्स दैट इट चेंजेस सम स्टेट from one state to another. That is what is the theory concept. Now, how the agent is connected to the environment? So that is a different question. You have to think about it. So what sensors and actuators are needed to solve particular problem? So that we have to understand. So this is something called as a knowledge formulation process. Sorry, problem formulation process. So hope you got it. Now this is a example. ये चित्र देख के आपको क्या लगता है? मुझे बताइए कोई तो भी. I know most of you are already familiar with the Uber. Can anyone tell me? नितिन साळुंके, नितिन जी, या फिर प्राजक्ता? Anyone can speak. नितिन भाई है क्या आप? मेरा प्रॉब्लम आपके ध्यान में आ गया? मैंने आपको क्या पूछा है कि ये चित्र देख के आपको क्या लगता है? श्रेयस राणे है क्या आपके क्लास में? श्रेयस राणे, इज देयर मिस्टर श्रेयस? Rani, Adish, Dheeraj Chandak, Ashwini, can you speak? Hello, Ashwini Ghate. अश्विनी जी की कोई इच्छा नहीं है. अश्विनी जी की कोई इच्छा नहीं है, ठीक है. Can I speak with Prajakta or someone? Anybody can speak. अनुराग, हाँ बोलिए बोलिए. कौन बोलता है?
सर प्रमेय देशमुख दिसत.
एकदम बढ़िया आहे. तर हे पिक्चर पाहून तुम्ही सांगा बरं तुम्हाला काय वाटते. जस्ट व्हॉट यू फील.
सर ये उबर कार है, लेकिन सर इसके ऊपर जो कैमरास लगे उससे लगता है कि ये ऑटो
राइट
ऑटो
राइट
पायलट
करेक्ट.
हो सकती है.
Right. So see, there are many countries like Germany and America, and they are experimenting it. Uh, so they have successfully experimented it. So there are different companies like Uber is there, और एक दूसरा कौन सा कंपनी है भारत में भी है वो.
ओला.
राइट. सो दे ट्राइड इट, दे टेस्टेड इट एंड दे आर सक्सेसफुल. कि एक कार में ड्राइवर नहीं रहता है और वो कॉल रिसीव करती है, ऑटोमेटिकली कस्टमर के लोकेशन पे जाती है, एस्टिमेट करती है, उसको उसके डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंचा देती है और वापस अपने ओरिजिनल डेस्टिनेशन पे चले जाती है. और उसको बिलिंग वगैरह जो है आपको पता ही है, सब ऑनलाइन वगैरह है. तो सो सम लोकेशंस आर देयर वेयर दे आर टेस्टिंग इट एंड इट इज सक्सेसफुली डन. So anyway, so something what I want to say through this slide is that we have to understand what is the meaning of the knowledge, and because we want that knowledge to take actions and to change state from one state to another. This is what I wanted. That's why I asked you. I thank you for actively participating. So I will go ahead. Now this is a example, vacuum world example. So see, when we try to find some solution, then we must have exact specification of our problem. अगर आप ब्लर मतलब आपके पास में क्लियर पिक्चर नहीं रहेगा, एक ब्रॉड पिक्चर रहेगा, इट विल नॉट, यू कैन नॉट प्रोग्राम इट करेक्टली. आपका प्रोग्राम फेल हो जाएगा. आपको उसको फिक्स करना पड़ता है. दैट इज व्हाट आई द मीनिंग ऑफ फॉर्मुलेशन इज देयर. प्रॉब्लम फॉर्मुलेशन, गोल फॉर्मुलेशन. उसको आप फिक्स करते हैं कि इट इज लाइक दिस एंड आई वांट दिस, एंड देन you build the program around it. So some assumptions are there. So I hope everybody got. So there is a one house or home, whatever, two locations are there, might be two rooms, room 1A and room B, and there might be dirt, so it is indicated. So assume that there are only two locations, each location may contain dirt or may not contain. Then the agent may be in location A or maybe in location B. Fourth is there are 8 possibilities. So try to understand it how. So 2 raised to power 2 into 2, like that, because two locations are there. So you must understand what is the mathematics. Then when I say there are 8 possible states, so we have to estimate every time. अभी क्या है कि एक सिंगल स्टेट है जिसमें ए में मशीन है, अभी इज ब्लैंक, like that. We shall see through diagram how we calculated. Now there are 3 actions. One is a move left, move right, and suck. Suck means to collect that dirt. Or assume that every time suck is a successful. So friends, and goal is to clean the dirt from these two locations. So this is the overall formulation of problem and overall assumption for this vacuum world problem. You can refine it. So if you refine the problem, you will have different solution for it. Means whatever, programming or what. So this is how there are 8 states. तो आप देख सकते हैं इसको, you can take the screenshot. So 8 possible states, मतलब 1 स्टेट में क्या है कि वो A लोकेशन में है, 2 स्टेट में क्या है मशीन B लोकेशन में है, 3 स्टेट में क्या है कि मशीन A लोकेशन में है, कचरा भी A लोकेशन में है लेकिन B लोकेशन क्लीन है। 4 नंबर क्या है कि A लोकेशन में डर्ट है, B लोकेशन में is clean and machine is there, like that. So in this way you have to interpret all the 8 states. These are the possibilities. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकते. And why 8? Why not 7? Why not 9? You have to understand it. That is a common sense problem, but you should know mathematically why it is so. Why 8? Why not 9? So these are the 8 problems, 8 states of given problem. Now what is solution? We want मीन्स गोल स्टेट है, इसमें स्टार्ट स्टेट कोई भी रह सकता है, लेकिन 7 और 8 स्टेट जो है इसमें क्या है कि दोनों भी लोकेशंस क्लीन है। देखिए यार, 7 नंबर का स्टेट और 8 नंबर का स्टेट, इन 7 इट इज इन A, इन 8 इट इज इन B. So this is a goal state. So we have 2 goal states, or we may have only 1 goal state, because after all our aim is that to clean the location A and location B by the machine. So you can take again the screenshot of this. This is actually solution. So this is what we have learned, something called as a search tree or state space graph. So actually this is not that thing, but from this diagram you can understand how the concept of state space problem and search tree concept is important in AI. So R is there, L is there. R means right, L means left, move right, like that. S means suck, collect the dirt. So you can see, and links are there. So every box is a state, and by using arrow, you can move from one state to another, or you can remain in same state, like that. So you will find that ultimately 7 and 8 state, whatever we have seen here, so they are somewhere in this graph. So that is our ultimate. So in this way we have to start from some state and we have to reach to some goal state. So what is happening? We are traversing this graph. That's it. So this is what is AI. But हमको क्या करना है कि we have to do it wisely. We have to do it successfully. For example, this graph is very simple. It contains very less number of nodes, less number of edges. But there might be some graphs where thousands of nodes are there and hundreds and thousands of edges are there. So when you have to choose the path, next state, so it is very complex because you have to choose right next state. So that is called the transition from some state to another state, current state to next state, like that. So take the screenshot of this. This is a sample example. So friends, we are near to finish. So again, this is another problem. So here initial state is given, final state means the goal state is given. So try to work it at home. You try to draw such graph in your copy by using this 8 puzzle problem. So here 7 tiles are there, sorry, 8 tiles are there and 1 tile is a blank. You can move that tile in left or right or up or down, whatever. So अगर आप कुछ करेंगे नहीं, सिर्फ सुनेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. अगर आप ऐसे टाइप के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली इट विल शार्प योर एबिलिटी. So best way is to use pen and paper at home. So you can take the screenshot. This is homework for you. Now let's say this is a single another instance. This is an instance. See, इसमें का इंस्टांस अलग है. 7 2 4 5 6 8 3 1 ये अलग है. इसका गोल स्टेट अलग है. See here, goal state is different. Initial state is different. Here goal state is different, and final state goal state is and initial state is also different. So it depends on what is your initial state, what is your goal state, how many intermediate states are there between you and final state. So this could be the possible way of attacking a problem. So let us say 8 2 7 is there, 3 4 is there, and 5 1 6 are there, and 1 is a blank. So what you can do, you can move tile number 7 to down, or you can move tile number 6 to up, or you can move tile number 4 on left. I don't know whether you are able to understand it or not, but this is a plain and simple. So try to draw a complete tree until you get a goal. So what is your goal? Goal is given here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So try to plot the complete tree and send it. You can take the photograph of your copy and send it to me. I will be giving you marks as a TEC, right? So right now I am not giving you any programming assignment, but definitely in next session I will be giving you programming assignment. So friends, we are near to, we have very less time. I will just quickly go through next slides, but from this you understand we can use tree to get solution, right? So try to understand what are different types of trees available in CSE domain. Now read this, something written here: success, state, arrow, subset of states, successor function. So this is the way of representing knowledge in some kind of mathematical notation or formulation. We can call it as algorithm. So instead of drawing a tree like this, we can formulate it in some pseudocode like that. So pseudocode is given in your book. So there are different ways to document your problem. So the successor function, try to get the definition of successor function. What is successor function? Is a knowledge about the 8 puzzle queen. तो हमने पहले देखा है कि what is knowledge. Get knowledge, you require some kind of function. It's just like a square root function, a prime function, like that. And when we talk about the function, then function has some return value as well as some input parameters are there, arguments are there. So hope friends you are getting me what I want to say. So search is about exploration of alternatives. Exploration of alternatives. Alternatives means there are 3 alternatives. So if you go down, there will be again 3 into 3, 9 alternatives. If you go down 9 into 9, perhaps 81 alternatives will be there. You have to think it. तो आपके पास में सोल्यूशन कैसे होना कि आपके नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स कम होने चाहिए, ज़्यादा नहीं होने चाहिए. अगर ज़्यादा रहेंगे तो इट विल create a problem in storing into the machine, into memory or RAM. So anyway, just go through this slide. I will just end here. I am thankful to you. Nobody talked with me, nobody interrupted me, but someone should interrupt me anyway. See, there are 6 parameters like state, initial state, action, transition model, goal test, and path cost. So 6 parameters are there. You have to define it. What is the meaning of the state? So see here, 2 into 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 8 possible. Why 2? 2 means 2 locations are there. So you learn about it, you go through this slide. I'm ending here. So I will not read this slide, but you read it. But I am very disappointed. There are only 25 students. I would like to ask Miss whoever is your CR, maybe Paki Mujmer or someone, they should immediately send me the message on my WhatsApp. What is the reason of the low attendance? So friends, so in this way we can define any problem. So what we require? We require 6 things: state, initial state, action, transition model, goal state, and path cost. So this is one sample example. We shall see use same 6 parameters for different problems. Now this is a 15 puzzle. See, this is a document screenshot 1903. 1903 में का ये advertise है. So the person name is Sam Lloyd. He has invented 15 puzzle. We have seen 8 puzzle in 1878. तो ये आदमी मतलब नए नए पजल बनाने का, यू कैन सर्च ऑन गूगल. एंड दिस इज अ लिफलेट, फोटो ऑफ द लिफलेट. जैसे आपके पेपर में एडवर्टाइज में हमारे पास में लिफलेट आता है, ब्राउचर आता है, वैसा उस वक्त का ब्राउचर है, 100-150 साल पहले का. तो ये पर्सन ने 15 पजल इन्वेंट किया था. और उन्होंने क्या किया था कि भाई उसको पेपर में चैलेंज किया था लोगों को, एंड ही केप्ट $1000 एज अ प्राइज मनी. जो भी उसको सॉल्व करेगा उसको 1000 रुपीज मिलने वाले थे. तो आप पता करो, आई हैव ऑलरेडी इवन गिवन यू इनफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस पर्सन, हिज एडवर्टाइज एंड ईयर. आप उसको पता करो कि भाई इसको जीता किसने, हु ओन दिस प्राइज. नाउ दिस इज इनिशियल स्टेट. ऑन राइट साइड देयर इज अ गोल स्टेट. आपको क्या करना है, इसको 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 15 14 ऐसा करना है, या फिर 14 15 करना है. देखिए आप उसको बराबर. तो ये पॉसिबल है क्या, आप उसको सर्च करो. और मुझे ये बताओ कि किसी को इसका आंसर मिला कि नहीं मिला. देखिए इसमें ऑलमोस्ट दे आर अरेंज. सो एनीवे दिस वाज वन प्रॉब्लम. So this is a, so anyway I'm going to close here. I will just go through this slide, last slide. So there are, as we have seen that what is a problem, how to formulate a problem, how to formulate the goal. In the same way we must understand what are the different types of the problems. So single state problem is there, multi-state problem is there, contingency problem is there, and exploration problem is there. So we shall see this in next lecture. So thank you for listening me, but I am disappointed. There is a very low attendance in your class from last 2-3 sessions. I don't know what is the reason, but I would like to know the reason. So I am closing here.